Gage, you kept me awake all night last night, didn't you? Farting in my face and getting up and down. But that means good things, because this guy's here now too.
What are we doing today, Jake?
Oh man, I hate that mustache so much. We're hopefully going to be shooting quail.
I made the drive after work this morning, got up at 6 a.m.
Heard you had a busy night.
No, the night wasn't too bad. The day was pretty rough, but it's all good now because we're going quail hunting. My favorite. It's cold. It's a little bit windy. Hopefully that'll stay away. It should warm up. But we got a hot spot. None of these spots have been hit since we hit it last year. So
that's a good thing.
Stay tuned. Welcome to the Bucket Boys, and hopefully we can get some limits.
Before you head on, like and subscribe. We appreciate it.
Right here, maybe? I don't know. We don't do that really, but
all right, stick with us.
Hold on. Head. Good boy, Gage. Gage! Go get him, right here, Gage, right here. Go get him. Get him, Gage! Get him! Get him, Gage! Gage! Here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my God. Look at that. That was a runaround if I ever had one. I wish I could talk, but I'm so out of breath right now. I just chased this thing halfway across the field. Luckily, Gage was there to assist on the finishing it off. But
that's a beautiful call out, nice yell of the rooster and everything.
You know, it kind of shocked me as my gun got caught up on something.
Shocked me too. All of a sudden, I just hear it blasting away. No call.
Missed him the first shot. I winged him the second one, but we got him.
Another Gage, all across the field, chase it down. Good looking bird.
Pretty bird though. Not very old. Take note, Neil. Those spurs aren't long, so it's a young bird.
Let's
all right,
keep at it.
I want to do it again.
I gotta find a way over here.
Quail! I missed every single one of them.
I did too.
things.
My gun jammed.
I had my phone out, fiddling with it. They're all right here.
Did you see where they went?
Oh, they're all right here. Something's running in there. God dang it!
My gun is jamming. I don't like that. These shells, yeah, these shells are too light right now for them. Did you get any?
No.
How many were there?
A lot.
Where'd they go?
Back to the west.
We gonna be able to run into them again, you think?
Probably.
I heard them peeping in there.
I saw them running.
I saw where they went down. Got that
I don't
one.
know why I shot. Good shot, man.
He's right, Gage is right on him. Good boy, Gage. Leave it. Good boy, Gage.
What you got there?
Well, having a tough time today. Gun's not wanting to shoot these light quail loads, but I did manage to hit this one on my first shot because I'm a single shot right now. Hopefully we got some more. We got some over here, and hopefully we got a couple more in this little thicket. Stay tuned. There's a rooster right there. Right there. Just got down. I think he's on him, Jake. Winged him. Keep an eye on him. Gage. Nice. Where'd the other one go?
Over here.
Did you see where that other one went?
It's right over here.
Where's Gage? Gage!
He's right here.
Okay. That other one's running, so we gotta keep up right in here. Show the camera.
Beautiful shot on that one. All right, we gotta go get the one that's running.
Right here, point. Get him, Gage. He's right here.
Keith's playing bird dog. Fetch, Keith! Fetch!
Where is he? Where is he?
That was intense. Saw this thing, one of these two anyways, fly in randomly. Snuck up on it, Gage found it, flushed it. I missed my first shot. Pretty sure I winged him on the second one. He went down right here and he held tight. Meanwhile, Jake's coming to get this thing, gets a beautiful rooster. Just, let me get it. Look at that thing. Another long spur. That's a big bird, Neil. Just greased him, beautiful flush. Take Gage over here, he points the wounded one. Luckily we had Jake there to finish the job. He tried to swim away on us. So, anyways, ended that push very productively. I think we got 3 roosters, 1 quail. That's just our first spot. We got several, so stay tuned.
All right, spot 2. That's where we were, across the street. Now we're going down this way. Fixed our guns. Took a little pit stop. We were really gummy. It was not going well. Keith was a single shot guy.
Single shot, not
I was
fun.
just cycling slower than molasses in January, so. Anyways, I think we're back in business.
I think we got her fixed up. We got a lot of birds down here to get, I think.
I'm very excited. I just need one more to hit my limit. You're
Two more pheasants, and let's get some more quail, eh?
That's what I'm looking
All
forward
right,
to.
let's go.
Whoa, look at that buck. That's the one I wanted to shoot. No, that one's bigger. No, that was the buck I wanted to shoot. Yeah, that was him. Not super wide. Much nicer deer than the one I got. I got that one.
I got one.
Come here, Gage. Get him, Gage. Get him. Get him. Good boy. All right, leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Leave it. Leave it.
Finally, that's what we've been chasing. Look at that. You got yours, Keith?
This one's mine. Both quailers. Whoop, whoop. Look at this little GoPro inception. What? Hey, hey, right there! I shot Bladen.
Shut up.
Good job, Gage. No bird, no bird. Come on. That was perfect. Over ya.
One down. There's these feathers. There he is. Look at that.
Nice. Way to go, Jake.
So beautiful.
Way to show the guys on YouTube.
My
Shot right over top of it.
Lord. I can't shoot to save my life.
It's in that big thicket. Gage, come here.
Can't hit quail, so we're gonna try to shoot some squab. I don't know if you can see him up there, but he's on that grain bin. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Gage, bring it here.
What did you do?
Well, they are dodgy little things. I missed my first three on the first two that came by. But this one and another one came, and I put a good hit on him, and Gage found him in the long grass. Never know the difference between this bad boy and a quail. Talk about a mixed bag today, eh?
Hey.
Trying to bring it back. Trying to bring it south here. Man, we're goofy looking. Halftime.
We have our batteries partially charged. So we're gonna try to hit this as quick as we can. We got a spot that usually produces several pheasants. We've had quail in the bottom of this in the years past, so I don't know. We haven't seen as many quail today as we thought we were going to, but we've definitely got on some.
We're saving them for now.
It's not for lack of shooting, because I have gone through quite a few shells, and I've only killed 3. How many have you killed?
I got 3 birds also, but my shooting hasn't been as much because I had that single shot ordeal, so.
Anyways, we're gonna hit this and hopefully get our limit a little bit closer to being done.
Let's do it, dude.
Pin! God.
Did I get that one?
I got that one.
You're good.
Still getting up.
I know.
Push in there.
Yours is still halfway alive over here. Nope, he's dead.
Finally redeeming myself for the dumb shooting I've been doing all day.
Well, I'm glad you freaking got one. Oh, right in front of you. Got up right in the middle of the bean field. Come on, Gage. Hey. Are you kidding me? Dude, I was right on him. Quail! I got no shot. Got him! Got one. I got both of mine. Good God. They landed just up here. I need Gage. Gage, come. Never find it. You got eyes on it? He got it. He's right here. Gage. Yeah. Come here, Gage.
Oh my lord, these things are giving us the run around. Finally dropped this one. We got a whole bunch more out of that group that came up here, so we're gonna try to get back on them. So stick with us. You hit him. He's going to be running, though. I've got him spotted. Gage is right about on it. No, he's right on it.
My goodness, what a runaround these things are. This canary grass is no good for finding these birds. They're made to blend in and they just tuck right underneath. Luckily, we got a good boy here, don't we, Gage? Yeah, he didn't stop, he didn't quit, and neither are we. I still got some more birds to get, so keep with us.
That wasn't too terrible for our last little no hope push.
Yeah, I had about zero confidence in that, and it turned out to be one of our better ones.
After our pretty pitiful performance.
We made up for it a little
Further south, we kind of made up for it, but we're going to head on out of here. The sun's quickly setting.
bit. It's about 4:20.
I am,
Nice.
hey, I'm starving. Get back, get these birds cleaned up, and get out of here. Hope you appreciated it. You got anything else to say?
No, we're going to do it again tomorrow, so part 2 hopefully will be tomorrow.
And hopefully the shooting's a lot better.
I can't get any worse.
All right, that's the Bucket Boys. See you later.
See ya.